Your home's windows play a bigger role than you might think. Beyond letting in light and offering views of the outdoors, they also help regulate your home's temperature, protect you from the elements, and contribute to your home's overall curb appeal. However, like any part of your home, windows don't last forever. If you live in Troy and are wondering whether it's time to replace your windows, here are some clear signs that your home could benefit from an upgrade. Noticeable drafts and temperature fluctuations. One of the most obvious signs that your windows need replacing is feeling a draft even when they're closed. If you notice cold air seeping in during winter or hot air entering during summer, your windows are no longer providing a proper seal. In Troy's varied climate, where winters can be chilly and summers warm, energy efficiency is essential. Drafty windows force your heating and cooling systems to work harder, leading to higher energy bills and uneven indoor comfort. Increasing energy costs. Have your utility bills been creeping up without any major changes in your usage habits? Older or poorly insulated windows could be the culprit. Energy-efficient replacement windows are designed with advanced materials like low-E glass and insulated frames to reduce heat transfer. Upgrading to new windows in your Troy home can significantly improve your home's insulation and lower your monthly energy costs, a smart investment that pays off over time. Condensation or fog between the panes. If you notice moisture, fog, or condensation trapped between double or triple pane glass, it's a sign that the window's seal has failed. This not only affects your visibility but also means the insulating gas, often argon or krypton, has escaped, reducing your window's efficiency. In Troy's humid summers and cold winters, failed seals can accelerate wear and tear on your HVAC system and cause discomfort indoors. Replacing these windows will restore clarity and improve insulation. Difficulty opening, closing, or locking windows that stick, jam, or refuse to open or close properly can be more than just an inconvenience. They can pose safety risks. Warped frames, rusted hardware, or swelling due to moisture damage can make windows difficult to operate. This may also compromise your home's security and make it harder to ventilate your home naturally. New replacement windows operate smoothly and lock securely, giving you peace of mind and convenience every day. Visible damage or decay. Peeling paint, cracked glass, rotting wood, or water stains around your windows are red flags that shouldn't be ignored. In Troy's changing weather conditions, exposure to rain, snow, and temperature shifts can cause materials to deteriorate over time. Once the structural integrity of your windows is compromised, moisture can seep into your walls, leading to mold and further damage. Replacing damaged windows promptly prevents costly repairs and preserves your home's structure. Excessive outside noise. If you can hear every car, barking dog, or passing conversation from outside, your windows may no longer be doing their job of sound insulation. Modern replacement windows are designed with multiple panes and special insulating technology that helps block external noise, creating a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment, something every Troy homeowner can appreciate. Outdated style and poor curb appeal. Sometimes, the need for replacement isn't just about performance, it's also about aesthetics. Older windows can make your home look dated, while new ones can completely refresh its appearance. With today's wide range of designs, materials, and finishes, you can choose replacement windows that complement your home's architecture and increase its value. In a community like Troy, where curb appeal matters, this upgrade can make a lasting impression. Enhance your Troy home with modern windows. If you've noticed any of these warning signs, it may be time to invest in new windows. Modern replacement windows not only enhance your home's energy efficiency and comfort but also boost its beauty and resale value. Whether you're dealing with drafts, rising bills, or simply an outdated look, upgrading your windows is a smart move for any Troy homeowner who values comfort, performance, and long-term savings. The bottom line: replacing your home's windows in Troy is about more than just aesthetics, it's about improving your living environment. By identifying these signs early and choosing quality, energy-efficient windows, you can enjoy a cozier, quieter, and more attractive home for years to come.